Imagine this, your blog goes viral, traffic explodes, and then your website crashes. That's what happened to a friend of mine. She lost thousands in one night, all because her hosting couldn't handle the traffic. Hey, I am from WebTech, and if your website is growing fast, you need hosting that can keep up. In this 3-minute guide, I will show you the best hosting providers for high traffic websites in 2025. No such confusion, just what works. I helped clients migrate their website after traffic spikes nearly destroyed their business. Good news? You don't have to make the same mistake if you choose smart from the start. I have suggested top 4 high traffic hosting options. Number 4 is A2 Hosting Turbo Plans. Pros: superfast turbo servers, developer friendly and scalable VPS options. Cons: interface is slightly dated. Great for blogs, agencies or affiliate sites scaling past 50k visits per month. Number 3 is SiteGround Grow Week or Go Week. Pros: shared but powerful, fast coaching, good support. Cons: may outgrow it at 100k plus visits per month. Solid middle ground, great support and beginner-friendly dashboard. Number 2 is Kinsa. Pros: built on Google Cloud, optimized for traffic and speed. Cons: premium pricey, starts at $35 per month. Great if you are running a high-traffic WordPress blog or WooCommerce store. Number 1 is Cloudways. Pros: cloud-based, scalable, super fast, DigitalOcean or Vultr AWS. Cons: not beginner level, setup can be tricky. If performance matters and you are getting 10k plus visitors per month, Cloudways is amazing. If you want raw speed and growth flexibility, go with Cloudways. For hassle-free WordPress hosting, go for Kinsta is king. And if you're still rising but not huge yet, SiteGround or A2 Hosting gets the job done. Got traffic? Tell me your monthly visitors. Code below. I will help you choose the best fit. Like, subscribe and scale smart, not slow.